So my story or our story with the CM Connect is regarding the issues of the deficit teaching and non-teaching staff who are teaching and working here in district headquarters of Eastern West Khasi Hills district. At the beginning, there are some issues which we as teaching and non-teaching staff who are working here in the district headquarters, we are due to receive some dues from the government. I was planning to meet the concerned authority to solve our issues. Somewhere I saw the advertisement of the CM Connect and I thought of making a call. Immediately I made a call to the CM Connect and there was an immediate and positive response regarding our issues. I made one call, but there was a number of positive calls from them, which I'm very grateful, which soon it will solve our grievances and our issues. The teachers will be receiving the due, so it's very helpful. I'm very grateful really for the CM Connect. I thank the CM Connect team for the positive, amiable and supporting response. Thank you very much.
UMLA kanongpo constituency uba Miral Bonds hagasi palay jang katayo ulalit jurep ikilay tali kijingtay hagathan nongpo ak district Riboy. Kibalamang dakatanat penroysor bad uladap dagajeng kemen bala penterihok yakini ki kampenroy. Ban pentikna bagi kampenroy balamang dak sarkar jela kenlong kibala penterihok UMLA kanongpo constituency uba Miral Bonds hagakat saw terik unay wiang arajar at pusaw. Ulalit banjurip ikilay tali kijingtay balamang langbak infrastructure development nakatanat penroysor balamang hakilay tali gisnong kibahap agathan nongpo. Iskim penroy balamang hakilay tali gisnong bakentup anong po mau diang bat paham siem kiligijing tay kisrok jat kali kinala pentuj bat kikendro balamang naduk kesem arajar kat prater terhado arajar arpulai. La juret belang kini gijing pentrai skim infrastructure development lagi nong elam shnong kanong po paham siem bat mau diang abakran ginong patay kubor uba Miral Bonds ulapan pau gijing kemen bansaki babarok skim penroy kibalamang kilong shisha kibala pentrai hok nak benta gijing mentoy jong kipat ba. Uba Miral Bonds ulai kublai kerpangru igibor penyat shnong lembat ki officer kibala trishtom ban pentikna bagi jing pentrai kini skim penroy kilong shisha kiba itanat bat balatai scam yaki kumbalamang bat ukermen ba kejing la ban pentrai hok yaki skim penroy nakaliang katanat penroy sor kanang la ban kasyo syu skim penroy ban mentoy isnong kitau.
Kinang ai kejing trailang tam kabedi ban penhe ya kini ki surok snong dilenti snong na ka banta ban ya kluj men sim ban ai ke jaka bat ter apa ke snong ka identify la ni ki sim ya kini ki lenti ban penbah la ni ban penhe bat ha ke ju kopor ni snow ban kerpa di kinong snong hapo hap hapo kini ka taun hi bar kowi bakin ai jeng trailang bagirang bat snong bat kumju ru na ka banta ki por ki ban wan ru ya ki projek ki ban pentri na kaliang jong ka departemen bakin ai ke jing ya trailang nang bakan long ke jing mentoy na ka banta jong ki ba Pait ba kin ya sya ban le si sin le ya baro mlak ding so kemen na kaliang jong ka sarkar na kaliang jong ka departemen kat banang mi kisni banang dang don ka jing hai khmat komno banang kampen bah ya kini ki surok po ki sorit ke bangi om ki township kum kanong po bat kiwi na kamta bigin nang yo ka jing penmang pisah ka ban kambun binang yo kambun dang la banang kampen bah susu mungi menta ka ne kelenti ka bangi yang ang ni kabahap po jong terbar snong po mauro ding surok latri bah ka internet bah ban ngi scam bagi wi gidong po jong kani ka sor hi borok kawi kini ki snong ki beran hang ni da ka jinga trilang ki ba bat ki snong ba ni ngi scam bagi nang la ban pentikna bagi jinga rap ki babun ki nang wan nam ta ki mentoy jong ki